Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to edit your expanded bio on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC with the latest update. Whether you want to showcase your personality, share your mission, or add extra details about yourself or your brand, the expanded bio feature gives you more room to express who you are. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side menu and click on your profile. This will take you straight to your personal page, where you can see all your details and posts. Next, find and click the Edit Profile button. This option is usually located near the top right of your profile page, making it easy to spot. After clicking, you'll see several editable sections pop up. Now look for the Expanded Bio section. This is a new area that allows you to add much more information compared to the standard bio. Here, you'll see an edit icon, usually a small pencil right next to your About section. Click on this icon to begin making changes. Go ahead and type in your updates. You can add more about your interests, your work, or anything else you want visitors to know. This space is perfect for sharing your story, your goals, or even your favorite quote. Once you're happy with your edits, simply click Save. That's it. Your expanded bio is now updated and live for everyone to see. With this new feature, you have more freedom to tell your story and connect with others on X. Take advantage of the extra space to make your profile stand out and let your unique voice shine through. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of X. See you next time.